not treating and talking about AI as being a replacement, but talking about it being an enablement. It's something to let everyone do their job better.
I had my boss turns like, you can use this tool to do this. And my first thought was like, no, this is my own process and I'm in this world. Like, no, what I do is too complex. It cannot be done this way. So how do you get over guys like me who you're trying to talk to and say, we're going to try to use this tool? I think my world is too complex. I can't do it. It's too much.
Yeah, so that's the biggest objection all the time, right? And I'm sure you guys hear it. I know I've said it 100 times, which is, well, you just don't understand my business. You just my business is different. You have your way of doing things, but there might be a better way. And for me, it's always, Dan, what do you really enjoy doing? Do you enjoy that way, or does you just do it because that's the way you've always done it? And it's like, well, no, I really enjoy this piece. Well, then, okay, well, let's make this easier so you can spend more time doing other things that bring you the greatest joy and brings the most value to the company. And what I found is everybody wants to do that.